Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here at Crane Landing in North Fort Myers, and today we are doing a model tour of the Phoenix floor plan, part of the Manor line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Phoenix here is a 2,443 square foot home. You get 4 bedrooms, a flex room, 2.5 bath, there's 3-car garage. Let's run inside and take a look. So directly to the right here, this is your flex space that you're going to get here at the Phoenix. Nice little additional sitting room or nice office space for you there. Right off the flex space, you do have your guest bath. This is your half bath here with just the singular sink, the commode. You do get a nice little linen closet there as well. And then right across from us here, this is going to be your entry into your garage here, as well as your HVAC system. And then it opens up into this nice open space here. Nice open kitchen. Your high ceilings. So really nice open space here. Plenty of cabinetry and a nice walk-in style pantry here as well. So going right across from the kitchen, this is going to take us to your guest bedrooms. You have a nice large pantry style closet here, or additional linen closet depending on how you want to use it. And you've got 3 bedrooms back here, your guest bath as well as your laundry space. So here's your guest bath over here with the 2 sinks and your combination tub and shower along with your commode. Then you've got the laundry space here with full-size washer and dryer and additional room for storage. Then we've got our 3 guest bedrooms here, all right in a row. There's guest bedroom number 1, guest bedroom number 2, and then right down this small little corridor here is guest bedroom number 3. Now, last but not least, we're going to circle back to the main spaces here. So you've got this nice open great room space, access to your lanai. And then last but not least, we have the master bedroom here. So really nice size space. Right behind me, you've got the master closet. Really nice size walk-in closet here with this one, folks. And then you've got the master bath. So you've got your standalone shower, your linen closet. Here you got your dual sinks. And then you've got your enclosed water closet here as well. All right, folks, so if you're interested in the Phoenix floor plan, we can help you find it. Give us a call at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.